Hello and welcome back to Affiliate Reviews. In this video we're going to be taking a look at Power of Groundedness PLR. Just a reminder before we start, this is an honest review video. We're going to walk through the sales page so that you can understand what this product is about, what you're going to get, and ultimately determine whether or not this is going to be a good product for you. The link in the description will take you to the sales page we're looking at. If you choose to purchase the product through that link, I will receive a commission, but my goal is always to give you my honest opinion of a product. Now, right up front, I want to tell you that I like this product and I am going to recommend this product. Stay tuned. This is why I'm going to recommend this product. So first of all, there's a lot of PLR that comes out. Private label rights products, PLR, basically just means that you can take the product, you purchase the rights to sell the product as your own, and you are then able to basically sell it as content. You can use it yourself as well. You can do typically almost anything except give away the main product for free or sell the resale rights, unless you purchase the resale rights, which some companies do offer. Not all PLR is good PLR. I've done some reviews on PLR products that are really, really thin, or maybe somebody even knows what they're talking about, but they don't look good. Your goal with a PLR product, while you can benefit from it yourself, your goal is to sell it, and to do that, you want something that looks professional, something that's got nice graphics, something where somebody has put the time in to get good writers, good graphic design, and so on and so forth. So this is coming to us from Sean and Callie. Sean and Callie are basically they're a team that puts out PLR. It's what they do. Okay, so we'll look at a bit more of this. So we go down here. This is the first thing I like about this. Actually, no, that's not true. This is the second thing I like about this. The first thing I like about this is the niche that it is in. This is dealing with self-help and mental health, which is probably the biggest, most evergreen, continually popular niche that you can be publishing anything in. Okay, how to make money online is huge. How to do ABC is big. There's nothing that is continually bigger. Not everybody wants to put in the time and the effort, even a little bit, to make money online. But when you're dealing with self-help and mental health, you are reaching across pretty much every potential border and barrier in society. Okay, so doesn't matter if you were putting out self-help in, the 1970s, the 80s, the 90s, or today. It's huge. The second thing I like about this, look at the quality of the graphics here. It's not overdone. It's simple. It's elegant. It looks professional. It's not, everything hasn't been done in a single font, but somebody's not just showing off that they know how to use Microsoft Publisher or something like that. It's well done. Okay, it's got that professional quality look, and I don't mean this image. I mean, look at the stuff that's coming on it. We got this beautiful Power of Groundedness graphic and logo. Okay, we're gonna skip through a lot of this. I do like the sales page. It does have some hype, but it doesn't focus on the hype. It pushes us with some hype early on. It gives us, we start to get more relevant in here, who the audience of this is. We get a little more hype. This is all sales stuff, and then we come to, I'm not going to go through all of this. I don't want this video to be too long, but we've got a lot of stuff. Here's headings. This is the stuff that is in the book. This is the stuff that you are going to be able to market. Okay, and here's some reasons on why you should launch your own product. By the way, when you buy this, it does become your own product. Okay, so we're going to go down a little bit further. Here we go. So this is what you're going to get. Okay, so first of all, you are going to get a 10,000 plus word ebook. This is the main product. This is the thing above everything else that you are looking to sell. So it's a good sized ebook. It's not massive, but for an ebook, 10,000 words, give or take, is pretty decent. You've got 11 chapters over 10,000 words. Okay, so we're coming in around 1,000 words per chapter, which means they're a good size for people to read. They're a good size for people to process. They're not 6,000 or 12,000 page word chapters. They're short enough that people can read them. It's digestible. That's good for you because ideally people are going to read this and then they're going to tell their friends about it and they're going to share links and you're going to sell even more of it. The beautiful thing about the internet, you don't have to lend somebody a book that you just bought online for, let's say you sell this for $5. You send somebody a link and they buy their own book for $5. Right? Digital is awesome. You don't have to publish this. You can publish this. You can print this. You can put your name on it. You can go to a print-on-demand service or whatever you want. You can release this through Amazon or Kindle Direct Publishing. Whatever you want to do with the content, however you want to sell it, you can do that. Okay, you've got chapter graphics, good information. There's some sample graphics here. This I'm a little confused about, up to 9 chapter graphics inside. Well, we definitely have 6. I don't know if this means that there are 9, but there's not going to be more than 9. Anyway, obviously you've got some chapter graphics to keep things going. You're going to get a checklist. You're going to get a checklist and a mind map. These are perfect for tossing out as little bonuses, little lead generators. So for instance, somebody signs up to your email list because you tell them, hey, get this free Power of Groundedness mind map. Get this free Power of Groundedness complete checklist. All you have to do is just give me your email. Cool. Well, you've given this away, but you've gotten somebody's email. Now you can reach out to them not only with the main product of this, but future products. Okay. And Sean and Callie in this are going to, not as part of the main product, but one of the one-time offers is going to offer you additional PLR content, right? So you can continue to put out, once you get people hooked on this stuff, or rather, once you get them hooked to your links and your site and your brand name that you're going to put on this, you can continue to put out more and more and more. And hopefully what's going to happen if you do this, if it works out well for you, is you're going to find yourself going from maybe, let's say you're starting from scratch, you might end up with a small group, say 10 or 15 people on a mailing list. But then the more stuff you put out, the more brand recognition you're going to get. And as people discover your second or third product, then they're going to come back and they're going to discover that you've put out other things as well. So PLR is very powerful. It is a very worthwhile industry to get into. You're going to get a sales page and thank you page. Right? Again, professional looking, quality, already done. Video sales letter, already done. Lead magnet. Now this is in addition to using the checklist and the mind map, which you may or may not decide to use. I would toss them in as bonus, either lead generation or as bonuses. But this is giving you a 4,000 plus word special report. Okay, so and again, you can use this to gain to grow to gain leads, or you can use this as additional content. What you do with it, just because they're saying, hey, this is what we're releasing it to you for, doesn't mean that's what you have to use it for. A professional landing page, follow-up emails. Again, once somebody purchases the product, once you've got their email, you don't want to just leave them. You want to stay in contact with your followers so that they're continually thinking about you, so they're continually looking for new products. It's about staying consistent. You want to stay in their inbox. You don't want to overdo it, but professional looking graphics. How are you going to advertise this? We've got banners, we've got vertical banners, we've got horizontal banners, we've got, you can see this is just a sampling up here. You can see kind of the broad sweep of graphics that you're going to get with this. And license certificates. Okay, this is the important stuff. This is going to give, this is the stuff that you want. You get private label rights included, all modules. Package may be resold. Okay, now again, you're reselling the product. You're not selling the right to sell the product. personal use, put your name on it, give away the bonuses, you can give it away as bonuses, yada yada yada. This is going to go through what you can and can't do. You can't resell the PLR. You cannot give away the entire package for free. Basically what they want to do is protect the main product, because once you were giving that away for free, then people aren't going to pay for it, and that is going to spoil it for everybody. And you can't add the entire package to a free or PLR membership site. Now we're going to get some bonuses down here as well. Again, we want to skip over a lot of the additional hype. You're going to get PLR Powerhouse. So this is a guide on how to, basically how to be an expert in private label rights. So that's obviously going to be useful to you. You're going to get Smart Funnel Hacks. So this is going to teach you how to set up sales funnels to help your sales, help you attract buyers, help you make more money off of the content that you're selling. And unannounced bonuses access. I really can't speak about this, obviously, because I don't know what it is. But that's just simply to say that there are additional bonuses. Check out the sales page for yourself. This is everything's in there. I'm not quite done yet, though. I do want to show you guys a couple more things. So first of all, we've got, this is from the JV page. So we've already looked at the front end product over here. If you purchase this, you're going to get some one-time offers. So the first one is going to give you high-quality videos. Okay, so that's going to be additional content. You can sell this. You can market with this. You can put this up as you can take this stuff and put it up on YouTube or any other video sharing platform site to gather up. Again, your goal is to sell the ebook. That's ultimately what you're looking for. Doesn't mean you can't, but you can also sell the videos. Or you can use the videos just to market, or you can put them on a membership site, whatever you want. You're going to get an upsell page, you're going to get a sales letter, you're going to get professional slides to the videos, video transcripts, MP3 audio files. Why is that great? Because people can listen to it in their car, they can listen to it on the bus or the train or whatever they do to commute. I guarantee you the people who are feeling they need to be grounded right now, a lot of them are commuting, okay? Exclusive PLR to Pro upgrade and mega bonuses. So you're getting a lot of additional content. One-time offer number 2 is going to give you a collection of 4 best-selling PLR packages. So again, more content for you to sell through your site, through your email list, whatever. One-time offer number 3 is a done-for-you installation service. Now, this isn't going to be for everybody, but especially if you're short on time, or if you simply don't feel particularly tech-savvy yourself, this is obviously the sort of thing that would be tremendously helpful to you. And finally, one-time offer 4 is going to give you a VIP membership, which will give you early access to all of Sean and Callie's PLR products as they release. Okay, so that's additional content that you can pick up after you purchase the main product. The other thing I want to look at is over here. So this is Sean and Callie's profile on Warrior Plus, which is where this product is coming to you from. So this is the kind of thing I want to see from a vendor. I looked at a couple of these with people who have with vendors who have like a 2.1 or a 2.3. These guys have over 19,000 sales, and they're still rocking a 4.31 rating. So if we look at Power of Self-Reflection, that's got a 4.17. We get a 4.0 on this. Not all of these have ratings, but overall, this is what we want to see. Okay, we want to see good ratings, not bad ratings. Lots of sales, and again, it's professional looking content. So I am going to recommend this strongly to you. I know PLR is not everybody's cup of tea. We review a lot of PLR. Some of it's good, some of it's bad. This is good stuff. It's in a good market. You're going to have a huge audience for this, and the quality looks spectacular. So I want to recommend you check this one out. Links in the video description below. Check it out. Thanks for watching, guys. Hope that's been helpful, and hopefully we'll see you back here again soon.